Welcome drivers, this is your Freightliner Cascadia new truck orientation. Today we're going to go over several options of the vehicle as well as the interior and exterior options. This vehicle is equipped with a DD15 engine with a 1,750 pound high torque engine, also with a DT12 automated manual transmission. Okay, we're going to start with the side compartment door. The release is here just behind the driver's seat to release that door, and inside this driver compartment you will find the 1800 watt full sine power inverter as well as the S-bar cab heater. This provides 110 volt electricity inside the cab, and in the event it trips, this is a GCFI plug, and that's how you reset it. Moving to the rear left-hand side of the truck, you'll find the 110 volt shore power plug. What this plug does, it allows you to use a heavy-duty residential extension cord that can be plugged in, and the other end goes to a house source of 110 volts. This allows you to power the vehicle from an exterior source other than the vehicle's batteries and onboard electronics. To the left side of the driver's seat, you'll find the battery cutoff switch. This switch will cut the power off to the vehicle itself completely. In rotating the switch back, it'll restore the power. The reason this switch is important is that there are certain electronic devices that will have parasitic draw, which will drag the batteries down incrementally. If the vehicle is going to be unattended for 24 to 48 hours, it's advisable to turn this switch off to preserve the battery power. At the front of the vehicle, just above the bumper, you'll find the radar sensor for the Detroit Assurance Collision Mitigation System. This sensor is what tracks the objects in front of your vehicle in order to keep a safe distance from other objects. Additional information on this can be found in the Freightliner Smart Source app. Okay, on the right-hand side of the vehicle, similar to the left-hand side, there's a release knob which will allow you to open the right-hand compartment door. Inside this compartment door, you'll find the HVAC unit for the tri-pack. It's very important because of this unit and airflow that you keep this clear of any debris, cardboard, paper, anything that would block the airflow, because that will cause the unit to overheat. So this vehicle is equipped with a very functional, multifunctional steering wheel, which will allow you to navigate the screens in the dash as well as control cruise control, optimized idle, and radio controls as well as the phone. The top of the screen you'll see various menus. Each menu has different options that can get you to different information in the vehicle. Driving assistance, gauges, diagnostics, and there's even a screen that will allow you to pair your phone with the radio. And lastly, there's a panel that will allow you to adjust the dash brightness, the interior lighting brightness, as well as units of measure, and set the time of the vehicle. Another feature of this vehicle, it's equipped with a light test switch. It'll allow the driver to push the switch and will automatically cycle all the lights on the vehicle, so the driver can check the lights by themselves without the assistance of another person. It'll continuously cycle the lights until the driver comes back in and physically touch the switch to off. Moving to the sleeper compartment, you'll find that your company has purchased a premium sleeper compartment interior, which is equipped with 2 stationary comfortable seats as well as a table. The seats have levers on the side which will allow you to fold those chairs down when not in use, as well as the lever in front of the table which will raise and lower it to release it. All these will have to go down in order to be able to bring the sleeper mattress down. The next thing we're going to cover is the right-hand side access panel, which houses the e-vault, the electrical system of the truck, as well as the cabin air filter. The panel can easily be pulled back like this, put out of the way, And here you have the E-Vault. This is where some of the fuses and circuit breakers are housed for the vehicle. You'll notice on this panel there's nomenclature that will directly correlate to what those fuses and relays do. Here you'll find the cabin air filter, which is easy access to change. All you do is lift it out. That's the filter. And then slide it back in. The next topic we're going to discuss is the optimized idle system. This vehicle is equipped with a system that will start on low battery voltage, engine oil temperature, and comfort mode if need be. In order to get to that system, on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you push this button and you will get the optimized idle screen in the dash. You'll notice here it says to enable, press OK. You press this button and now it gives you the various modes of optimized idle.
Drivers were really excited about a very resourceful tool available to you right on the tablet inside the truck. It's called the Freightliner Smart Source app. You'll find it right here. Simply tap on that and that's going to take you inside the app. We're going to go to the home screen and this is what you'll see when you open up the app originally. And along the bottom you're going to see different areas within the app that you can go for resources, including news, which is Freightliner's latest press releases or information about their vehicles, library, which is a complete resource for all models and all training videos. Where we would like you to go most importantly is to training, and inside training you will see that there's videos available, but right here at the driver training materials by VIN, you can actually submit your 6-digit serial number into this and it brings up all of the videos specific to your truck. So this is very important as you continue to learn about your truck, that you go and use this as a resource. So we're going to take this truck, which the VIN is LL2946, and hit search. And now you'll see the different categories. Safety, there's 8 training videos. You just hit the plus sign and you'll see all the training videos associated with safety. There are some of these are in Spanish as well. There's 16 in interior. The transmission has 24. The engine has 19. These training videos are very specific to what you might be looking for at that time. For instance, after treatment system auto elevate training video. Most of the videos are kept to be about 1 minute to 2 minutes in length. Again, I can't stress enough how important this resource is for you to continue to learn about your truck and the operation. We're back at the home screen on the Smart Source app, and there's one more tab called More. If you tap on that, you'll notice you can find a dealer, and it will use geotabbing to help you locate the closest dealer to your location. There's roadside assistance phone number. Here's a complete resource for driver training materials. There's also a Freightliner blog that I would encourage you to become a part of. And then Team Run Smart is another resource that I would highly encourage you to take advantage of. Team Run Smart are drivers hired by Freightliner to give us educational feedback to our drivers like yourself. One of our Run Smart drivers, Henry Albert's contact information is actually in your Riverside binder, and Henry Albert will become a very, very valuable resource for you to use for helpful tips on how to efficiently and effectively drive your truck. And that is a recap of the Smart Source app. Drivers, we highly encourage you to use this resource. It's a great training tool and to learn about your truck. And as always, we appreciate you using Freightliner.